Hi, it's Jackie from the basement. I'm just kind of messing around tonight down here. Did a little pour earlier. Well, not really a pour, but a spin after I did some drops, and I don't know how that's going to turn out. So I've got a cup here full of, different things, different paints. I don't think there's a gold in there. There's orange and either dark yellow or light orange. Violet. Looking over there, trying to remember what I put in there. Okay, I did put the Magenta Deep and the Neon Pink. And I did add some white. There's no black, no silicone. I believe I put some Deco Art Extreme Sheen Sapphire. And I just did one before this, so I'm trying to remember. Because I put a bunch in the other one too. Oh, there's Phthalo Blue in here also. So I think we're just going to do I think we're going to do a ribbon pour. How's that sound? Oh, lordy. There's stuff flying all over here. Okay. Let's just ribbon pour this out, see what happens. You're going to ask me the size of this again, aren't you? Trying to remember what I wrote down. Is it 12 by 16? 14 by 16? Oh my goodness. Meant to look at it before I began here. And of course I didn't. Let me look real quick. 12 by 16. There we go. It's a 12 by 16. Okay. Looks like there's something in the paint over there. But we're just going to try and see what we can do with this. Just in the mood to paint. Last night I did a whole bunch of photo taking of my 8x10s. Finally got those wrapped in parchment. I just got to take them over to the shelving, which I was going to do today, but it rained all day. So I'm thinking, yeah, over there it's probably kind of a little bit damp. And these shoes like to slide when there's wetness anywhere. So instead of trying to kill myself, I thought, yeah, let's just stay upstairs today. I also thought it was a lot cooler out than it was. I was in the house freezing. And I think I finally called the time and temperature at maybe 6:30, something like that. It said 71 degrees. I thought, heck, I'm in this house freezing my buns off. I could have been outside. So, anywho, such is life, right? Let's get this little fragment out of there, whatever it might be. And we're going to stretch this some more. So, oh, there's some cells in there. I'm going to see if I can maybe push those down here a little ways. Okay. Yeah, I ruined another shirt while I was spinning. My good shirt. Well, one of my good ones. I have one little itty bitty speck of paint on there. No. I went on a spinning spree tonight and my shoes got it. And I believe my pants did. I know the floor did. I know the floor got it. It just went flying. I didn't think there was that much on there. But obviously I was wrong. So, okay. Come on, get off my fingers, please. I'm surprised I'm not, well, for the love of. I'm surprised I'm not down here slipping and sliding around. But we're not. That was quite a bit there. Please don't mess it up. Okay. I'm kind of liking that white through there. Kind of looks a little bit like marbling, maybe. Okay, let's try tilting again. See, already I've forgotten what the size this is. 12 by 14? Somebody correct me. I don't know why I can't remember the size of this darn thing. That is silly. Okay. It just, for some reason, doesn't stick in my head. Okay. I think I'm liking this neon pink from Artist Loft Ready Mixed. I seem to use that quite a bit anymore. Alright, almost lost it. I'm trying to see if I... Okay. We do have some to work on over there. Oh my gracious. What a mess. I may have had too many chocolate stars earlier. I might be a bit hyped. That could be half the problem. The other problem is, well, you know, I'm just a crazy old woman. Okay. How's this doing down here? Huh. It's looking halfway decent, I think. Getting warm down here again. Last time I was down here and it was warm. Now, there was a reason. It was 69 degrees in the house. I'm like, what? Off with the heat, on with the AC. Oh my. So, I still got the AC on. I almost turned on the heat earlier, but we didn't, thank goodness. Okay. That's looking pretty darn promising. Okay. Your paper towels. I'll leave my handprints underneath everything. Okay. Of course. Okay. Trying to get the gloves off. These are really sticking to me tonight. Horribly. Alright. Might be because I'm warm. Maybe that's it. Okay. We're going to bring you down for a close-up. Excuse the mess, but that's obviously how I roll, right? Okay, coming down. Alright, helmet's on. Alright, let's start in this corner. See what we got. Okay. I think I put no, I didn't put turquoise in there. That's probably the sapphire. Or heck, maybe I did put turquoise in here. There's some lacing. Okay. Sorry about the light. I always apologize, but I need it to see down here. Coming down here. And there's some gold, I think. Yeah, it has to be. Question is, which gold? I don't know. So, this is what we have on the 12 by 14. I'm going to write it and put it on the wall, I think. So, I want to thank you for watching. I hope everybody has a great rest of your week. And subscribe if you'd like. I would love for you to. Like the video, leave comments if you want. And if you're on Facebook, you can join my group. It's Happy with a Twist, Acrylic Pours Plus, where you can see all my photos of the finished paintings I've done. The good, the bad, and the ugly. I'm putting them all on there. So, you guys take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.